In case you missed it, Cricut has some amazing blanks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a cosmetic bag using Cricut Infusible Ink. The cosmetic bags come in a set of 3, so I'm going to measure width and height to determine the size of my design. A little pro tip, I measure everything before I cut to make sure it's the perfect fit. With the Joy Infusible Ink, you are going to use the Cricut Joy matte. So I'm going to take it out of the box. It comes with a UV protectant bag. Just place it design side up, and don't forget to mirror your image in Cricut Design Space before you cut. I have my machine Bluetooth connected, and so when I am ready to cut, I load the mat. The machine will register and cut your design. So for any of the smart materials like the smart vinyl, you don't have to have a mat, but with the infusible ink, you do. Now that it's done cutting, I'm just going to peel the mat away from the infusible ink, give it a trim so I can use it again, and then I'm going to pop the design away from the transfer sheet. If you've never used infusible ink before, it's thicker like cardstock, so I don't really use a weeding tool. You just have to bend it and the little pieces just pop right out. So to start the transfer, don't forget to use a lint roller on your blank. You're going to insert some cardstock so the ink doesn't bleed. Place your design, and now we're ready to press. So remember, you can go to cricut.com/heat guide to determine the time and temperature for your material. I'm going to place that link and all product links in the description box. So I'm going to press this for 60 seconds. You don't have to have a lot of pressure when you are using your easy press. Just make sure that it is even pressure and be mindful of the seams of your blank. Then I'm going to peel away the transfer sheet, and the infusible ink bag is finished. It is a permanent design. It is going to last through the wash, and now it's ready to enjoy.